What's up, runners? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and you are on day 38 now of this beginning 5K program. You're doing fantastic. Let's get moving, guys. All right, well, today is actually a rest day, and that's probably good because you had 2 days of running 2 miles without stopping. And so, you know, if you had to walk a little bit, that's fine. Don't worry, you can always pick up later, or you could stay walking, that's fine. But you guys are doing fantastic. And today is a rest day, but Coach Robin has something to say to you. So, you know, these great tips are going to help you get through this program. So here's Coach Robin.
Hey guys, it is Wednesday. That is rest and recovery day. So we've talked a lot about, you know, things that you can do during your recovery day, stretching, yoga, upper body workouts. So I'm going to show you some tools that I have for recovery today. And on Friday, I'll talk more about that. But I'm just going to give you a quick little overview today on, you know, some tools I have and things that I do. So I have this tool right here. It's called a roll recovery, and I'm not going to go into a lot about it today, but I'm just going to show you some tools now that I have here. And yikes, this kind of hurts, but it's a good hurt. I promise. So that's one thing you can do, and again, I'm going to go into more detail on Friday. This is a great thing to have, a little add-a-day recovery ball. You could travel really, really easily with this, and, you know, do some nice little massages, and I'll give you some better techniques on Friday. But that's another thing I use. Foam roller is great. You can get your back with this. You can get almost any part of your body, but I love doing my back. Oh, that feels really, really good. This is another way you can use it. Really stretch out your chest and your back. Not with a hat on like this. Just go like this and let your chest open up. That's a great thing to do. There are tons and tons of YouTube videos, guys. You could just type in roll recovery. I'm sure you can find something on YouTube. Foam rolling, I know you can find a ton. This is a great tool to get into the muscles and really break up that lactic acid, move it around, break up some knots you have. So those are some tools I have. I'm going to spend, you know, 20, 30 minutes today just doing a little bit of recovery work. All right? Now that we're running more, this is important. So again, I'll give you some more information on Friday, but hope you guys can find something to do, and I will see you tomorrow for our next run. So have a great day.
All right. Well, hopefully you rested your legs. It would be good, you know, if you worked out your upper body or you're stretched out, then that's fantastic too. Either way, it doesn't matter. I mean, whatever it is, I'm sure you made the right choice for your individual needs. And we will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's a workout day, and you guys are doing fantastic. We'll see you in day 39 tomorrow. See you guys. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.